asking the answers. They do a little dance.
Hell no! What?
Well,
That's my girlfriend. That's Bundy, my best friend. Hell no.
well,
That's my girlfriend.
well,
That's my girlfriend.
well,
That's my girlfriend.
well.
That's my girlfriend.
The battery's back in it?
I think.
For a free consultation.
Uh-oh.
Damn! Dude, what's up there?
I can't take anything else more. I just felt like I was kissing my dad.
Close this down.
Feel so seen, ecstasy.